Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. If this is your first time here, please think about sticking around, liking, commenting, and subscribing. These three very little things that are free for you to do really help us tiny little YouTubers. If you are returning, thank you so much for being on this journey with me, and I hope you guys are enjoying 31 days of spectacular. 31 days of Halloween. All right, so today we're going to jump right in it. It is that time of year for pumpkin spice everything. This usually starts in late September, although it's been happening earlier, and goes till about Thanksgiving. There is going to be pumpkin spice flavored anything that you can possibly think of. I've actually had pumpkin spice steak seasoning before and pumpkin spice sausages. I know. It's a bit much, but today I decided to try three simple items that are pumpkin spice flavored. Now, I got these all at my local Kroger. No, there is no sponsor. This is all my own money, and I wanted to try out these things with you. I'm going to rate them on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being the worst, 5 being the best, and let you know if I think it is worth a purchase. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've already broke this cookie in half, but this is a Pillsbury dough cookie. Now these are the tear apart ones. They're pre-made. It comes in a package of 12 and I believe it was $3.99. And you cook them at 350 degrees for approximately 10 minutes. So I wanted to show you the cross section of this cookie because it is supposed to be a pumpkin spice cookie with cream cheese chips. So to start off, the smell is lovely. It really does smell like pumpkin spice. It's not overwhelming, but it almost smells like a snickerdoodle cookie as well. So we're going to try it. Hmm, okay. Okay. Um, I really like the cookie itself. But I'm not actually a big fan of the cream cheese chips because to me it actually just makes me feel thirsty. This would be an excellent thing to eat with coffee, like dunking into black coffee. This would be great. But as far as the cookie itself, it's fine. It's well made. It smells good. It's not overpowering, but I'm not a fan of the cream cheese chip because it just is basically more sugar. It doesn't taste like it's necessary. So I'm gonna give it a 4 because I think it's good for the price. It made the house smell good when I was cooking it, but I think the chips are too much. If there were no chips in there, I would probably give it a 5. All right, so this is Vortman's Bakery. These are pumpkin spice wafers, so there is supposed to be no artificial flavoring in these at all. So what these are there are two wafers, one on top, one on the bottom, and in the middle is pumpkin spice. This says it's made with real pumpkins and it claims to have nothing artificial in it. So I'm going to break this in half so you can hear. Ooh. And this is what the cross sections look like. So it almost looks like there's a thin piece of wafer right here. We're going to test that. I can't really smell anything at all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Okay, that is really good. This is not overpowering at the least. The wafers are almost a vanilla flavor, if there is any flavor. It balances the cookie or the wafer so well. It's not too much, it's not too sweet. Ooh. These were $3 for the package, and I think it's completely worth it. I would give this a 5 out of 5. Completely worth it because there is no big sugar rush. It tastes very natural, and I really like that. All right. Last but not least, we have the Pillsbury Dough pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. Now, these were $3 for 5. And you make these yourself, of course, 350 in an oven, yada yada yada. So I'm just going to take a piece, and it comes with cream cheese that you put on. So that's what the cinnamon roll looks like. I don't know if you still call it a cinnamon roll, but there is still cinnamon in it. Mm. Wow. Okay. I was not expecting that. There was almost like a punch of pumpkin spice flavoring in the cream cheese that goes on top. It surprised me. I thought it was just kind of a light flavor, but it kind of punches you in the mouth. Um, it does smell very much like a pumpkin pie, which is lovely. This is good, but I don't think it's worth what I say, $2.99, $3.99, whatever it was for 5. I mean, these are a really good size roll, but just to let you guys know, a little bit of that cream cheese topping goes a very long way. Very long way. So I would give these a 3 out of 5. So my favorite out of these 3 are, it has to be the wafers. They're all natural. There's not a lot of sugar in them. There's not this weird punch at the end of pumpkin spice flavoring, but I enjoyed all 3. It's so fun to do these taste tests, and I encourage you guys to do the same thing. Try something new because you have no idea if you're actually going to like it or not. And going into this, I thought I would like the cinnamon roll the best and the wafer the least, but I actually like the cinnamon roll the least and the wafers the best. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget, I am booking readings at www.lisatbrink.com, and I also have this beautiful jewelry from Melissa Blue Delish, and I will leave her information below. You guys have a great day.